Well, a bit of yelling on the background. Typical Sunday lunch. Clean up your rooms. Anyhow, I've got one of these things. It's a bell. It's a remote. Just unplug it. Gonna change a battery. Saturday morning. Okay. Hopefully I can zoom into this. First time I've tried this little experiment. There. There's a screw there. I took it off the cover on the outside. That was only one there. Oh, there's another one. Look at the watch I'm wearing today. Can't see anything. It says 112, but it's not bad when you got glasses on. Nice Casio. Okay, take this off. Maybe I should bring this down a bit. There. Okay. We got this here. Open it up. What's stopping it? Don't tell me there's one behind here. There's like a little case over the top of it. Oh, might not use the leather band. Might use this one. Ooh, I love my knives. Okay. There. Thought there would be a trick to it. That's the bell. That's the screws. Okay, let's take this off. It looks like... Oh, maybe that's where I didn't have to take the back off. See? Didn't have to take this back off. I think I should put the screws back in. That would be the smart thing. Otherwise I won't get it back together again. It's already lifting. Was that just the style? Okay, put that back on. Everything's trial and error, isn't it? Everything in life is trial and error. Especially if you don't know something and there's no schematics for it. No instructions. Okay. The doorbell will be fixed. So that's solid. That's alright. Let's take this screw out. See, because you see the screw there? That's where the battery's hiding. Okay. Let's undo that one. I'll put the light here. Give it a bit more light. Okay, unscrew that carefully. Oh yeah, good. Ooh. Oh no. That came out. Oh, it looks like a standard CR2032. Use a flathead screwdriver, I think. Actually, why not use my watch tools? My watch tool. That might do it. Does it go that way? No. Does it go that way? Oh yeah. Pushes away. That little clip, you push it that way. Okay. There's the battery. Take it out. Alright. C2032. Now, I should have a bunch up here. Let's see. There's a 32. Is there one that's already open? Ooh, two 32s. It's an open one. Put that back up there. Put that back up there. Look at these two boxes I've picked up because they're a few weeks out of date. I think it's worth it anyway. It's only a couple of bucks, $2 for all of these, and there's hundreds of them. Look at them. And I've got 2 boxes. I gave 1 box away. 2025. I could probably use that in there. But I'll stick that gee, what are you doing? What are you doing, mate? Okay, let's get a bit of lighting. Got lights everywhere and radios everywhere. There you go. Oh, yeah, that's the one we want, the bottom one. 2032. Okay, let's go back down again. Let's lower this. Okay, now, put that aside, put them aside, that aside. I think I'll use scissors for that. Knife is a bit of an overkill. There's a... Okay, better from the back, eh? You know what? I don't think even scissors. I'm going to do it the way I try to do it to keep things clean. We need thought I had a smaller one. Oh, there it is. This one's a bit too big for the job. We'll use this one. Nice fine one. Okay, where are we? Okay, we won't bother cutting from here. We'll go around. Forget about those scissors. Have you ever tried to get out one of these out? Some of them are tough. Okay, oh look at that, beautiful. And you can still keep the packet. See, less experience. I thought by cutting it like this I'd get it out. Rubbish. Batteries. Ooh, I thought I mixed them up. Lucky I remember that one was scratched. Okay, let's put the battery in there. Oh, just clicks in. Okay, put that. I think that's got to flip around this way by the look of it. Hang on, that's it. Just sits there. Hold it down. Little screw. Get in there, you little crap. Yeah, friggin' get in there. Go in the hole. In the hole. In the hole. You know what? I think I'm getting a bit annoyed with you now. What do I do with that screw? Buggy up. I'll use my watch one. Look at this one. High, low. This isn't magnetic, you little. Okay, take a deep breath. These little things can be annoying. Okay, put them in there. Mate, come on, you can watch this video for hours, can't you? It's so exciting, these videos. You can watch me not getting it in the hole. What if I accidentally switched it with the wrong one? This one's magnetic. Maybe that one will work. Ooh. Oh yeah. Now this cover, should I change bell? Yeah, that looks good. It's getting a bit yellow. I've seen these tricks where they get something that's that yellow and they put bleach in a bag or they rub it with peroxide. Done that to an old CB radio. Come up good. That stayed white. Oh, it's rubber. That's why. Now if I press it, there should be a light. I can hear it. But where's the light? Is there a light to it? Ah, there it is.
That's you.
Huh?
Is that you?
Yeah. My wife thought there was someone at the door. Alright, well, that's a doorbell from Bunnings. It's got HPM on it. So if you want to change a battery on these bludgers, they're pretty common batteries. This packet here I got from a junk shop. I don't know, but junk shop says Polaroid. Sounds like a good company. Lithium. I think that was only $3 or $5. You get Duracells, they're much more. I don't know, seem to do the job. Look, watches, calculators. What's this say? Best used by 2025, and it's 2026. Be interesting. I'll take note of when I put this in the day after Anzac Day. See how long it lasts. But yeah, this is the one that you want for this particular model. And so that you know, because no one keeps instructions, do they? You end up with thousands of instructions. We got the HPM. I got this from Bunnings Warehouse a few years back. Battery finally croaked it. You know what I might do? I might show you the actual doorbell, because it's pretty good. I'm sure you can still get it, or an updated version. Better give it a clean, I think. Well, that's the doorbell, and this is the particular model. Yeah, it's the HPM Doorbell. It's like wireless. I gotta say, it's been great. And I put my dad's favourite song on there. Oh Susanna. Yeah, oh Susanna, down by my side. But don't look at the words too carefully, the original. Jeez. You get in trouble. You couldn't have those words anymore. But my dad used to always sing it. That's what I remember about him. He's passed away now for 3 or 4 years. 4 years ago. Anyway, this HPM doorbell, I'd say that that's the model there, 21W39. 3 volt. Can't remember what sort of batteries it took. Let's have a look. Oh, that's easy. 2 of these. 2 Duracells. AA's. Actually, I might test it. Hey, budget batteries. It says premium quality. Okay, let's take it out. It's working, but it's just interesting to see. Battery tester. Looks like I need more light in here. What's going on? What's going on? Yeah, maybe that'll help. Okay, so battery tester. Put it on there. Whack it on. Oh, it's getting low. Do we need a doorbell? Yes. I think I'll replace it. If I'm replacing them, I should replace these. That one's just mediocre. Sometimes I use them for something else. I don't know what. Where's the other battery gone? Behind here. Duracell. Wonder how old this is. Should keep note of it. Oh yeah, there's a date. Oh, it's good till 2034, but it's been used, of course. Let's see how this one is. Still in the low. So it's silly really chucking them out. I should stretch them out, but I don't want to. It's high, and that's high. High. So I'll replace them. Why not? Batteries. Got to keep the country going. Probably some poor kid in some land. Oh, these are made in China. Look at that, made in China. Everything's made in China. Even this Casio watch is made in China. It's fine till 2028. So it's not an old battery. Let's stick it in there. Flat on the spring. Okay, whack this on there. It's actually a good model, really. Okay, put it down there, click up. So you can hang that somewhere, but we use the stand.